Well, hello, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I'm here. I'm back after 7 weeks of not posting. And I want to talk to you today about the power of the pause and why taking a break makes you a much better communicator. The first thing I'd like to do is to remind you that I'm available at dlmstrategiesltd.com. That's my website. You can check in with me and we can connect in that way. You can also reach me at the email address in the description. Now, back to the 7 week hiatus. I know that it's hard to be away, but I'm back and I'm refreshed. And what I learned is this: sometimes stepping away makes you come back stronger. Today's tip is about the power to pause, both in our schedules and in our conversations. There are some key points to remember. First of all, strategic pauses in speech create emphasis. They allow processing time, they allow the other person processing time, and they allow you to critically assess how your communication is being perceived. Now, it will also show confidence. You don't have to fill up the silence. In fact, when I was teaching, I always used to teach my students that the person who listens more, speaks less, and pays attention to the environment actually is always the winner in the situation. Just like taking a break from content creation recharges your perspective, it also can recharge how you're actually thinking. I'd like to close with that. Consider taking a break as you communicate this week. When there's a lot of information, cadence. I've heard FBI operatives speak about the need to cadence your voice. It gives you more authority when you're not rushing through something breathlessly, but you're taking your time. Now, speaking of taking time, fresh starts, and powerful timing, mark your calendars because we're going to be kicking off our fourth quarter challenge on Monday, October 6th. That's just 2 weeks away. And I want you also to remember, if you're a woman in career transition, especially if you're over 40 or 45 years old, we'll be starting our second R4 cohort on Saturday, October 11th. Links and descriptions are in the chat. I'd love for you to join us. Until the next time we communicate on Wednesday with a leadership tip, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live. I am excited to be back with you, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Have a great balance of the day.